What do we have here? It's my little microscope thing. I thought I don't know what happened to this thing. I remember this. All right, so it's a USB and it's a microscope. Let's let's hook it up and look at some 3D print stuff. Oh, I finally got it going. All right. So check this out. So it has this big bright light. Plug it in and let's just look at my mat. Focus, focus. And what is that? Like, that's kind of neat, right? I like that. There's the black of Sephiroth. All right, let's check out some 3D printed stuff. First, let's try some Pet G. What do I got? Let's see. Let's see what Pet G looks like under a microscope. The hard part with this is getting it to focus. So if I get them right out there, focus that in. Here we go. Now that's neat. So that must be the little gear that drives it in, crushing it. Takes out a little bit of pressure, squishes it, and forces it into the printer. It's so shiny. It's so uniform. That's neat. So that's Pet G. Let's see if PLA looks any different. I don't have the same color, but uh, let's try yellow. See what yellow PLA. Does it look the same? Oh, there's those marks again. Those are right near the end. Those are kind of neat. But it's a lot duller than the Pet G. Pet G was quite a bit more shiny. Look at, there's like a little speck of hair or something in there. Huh, that's neat. What's next? Nozzles? How about some nozzles? What is a nozzle? And nozzle, nozzle, nozzle. I said that way too many times. Huh. This is a brand new nozzle. And it kind of looks like it's already chewed up a bit, eh? .4 millimeter. The good old standard size. Almost looks like it was 3D printed. I know what we should try. The print bed. So this one's off my Anycubic Cobra. It's a what the heck is it called? PEI sheet. Let's take a look. Whoa. What the hell's going on with this thing? That's neat. That is going to be my new wallpaper. So the PLA must get melted into those tiny little grooves. And that's kind of what holds it. Huh. I wonder if my other sheet is like that. All right, I got this giant sheet from my Elegoo Neptune Max. It's gold. Same thing though, same PEI sheet. Wonder if it's the same. It sure is. That's really neat. Just random splotches of, I don't know. Is it metal? Some kind of metal? Again, that's going to be my wallpaper. That's awesome. So what else do we do when we print? We got the nozzles. We got the filament. Next, we got the bed. How about a print? This one. Why not? Top layer. Let's take a look at the top layer. That's pretty neat. What is that little splotch? There's the edges. Let's go over to some of the letters. Neat. Let's check the back. The back has that shiny look. I don't know if you can see that. The shiny look from the bed. So does it match the bed? I mean, it kind of does, doesn't it? That's kind of the same pattern as the bed. Then the layers, what do they look like? Ah, it's crazy how uniform it is. These machines are crazy precise. Think about that. That's microscopic on how small that is. And yet it's it's not focusing. But it's just every layer is exactly the same. Crazy. What's next? What about after you're done printing something? You want to print something that you need to sand. Sandpaper? Let's go. Focus. Huh. Are they rocks of some sort? They must be. In a glue. Rocks in a glue stuck to a piece of paper. So simple. Well, I think that's kind of about it. Actually, what about our trusty little side snippers? I know everyone uses one of these. Let's see. Just the dust from the snips. Microscopic dust from cutting the prints. Huh. Oh, what happens if we cut a piece of filament? Yeah, let's try it. Let's cut a piece of filament under that. Hard part here is going to be focusing it. So that must be PLA, being that it's not shiny. All right, there we go. Let's try it. What happens when we cut this? That was kind of uneventful, but still kind of neat. What do we got next? What do we have? Everybody uses a knife with 3D printing. Yeah, that's kind of boring. Next, what about the actual spool? It's kind of similar to one of the print beds in a way. I think that's actually really neat. See the yellow? Well, just because, I don't know, I got this bag of jelly beans. Let's see what the heck they're eating. I've been eating these all day. Uh, I picked the green one. I'm scared. What's on this jelly bean? Huh. Ugh. What's that? Otherwise, I don't know. I think I'll eat it. Well, what about the hands we use to print? Get the gears going. The machine running. What does it look like? Ooh, kind of neat. That's enough of that. That's kind of gross. Anyway, if you think I missed anything, let me know. Maybe I'll make a short or another video. But I think I got everything covered. We did the print bed. We did the nozzles. We did a print. We did the top layer, bottom layer, sides. We did PLA, PETG. We did our cutters. I think we did a little bit of everything. Well, thanks for watching.